Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro low system memory. The first way is to go to the Edit tab at the top left. Let's go to Preferences and click on Memory right here. Now we can set the RAM reserved for other applications. The lower we set it, the more memory Premiere Pro will be able to use. For example, if yours is set to more than 3, I recommend that you set it to the minimum, which is usually 3 gigabytes, and it will allow Premiere Pro to have more RAM available to use. Once you have done that, just click on OK right here. And if you still see that error, the next way would be to go to the Edit tab again, go to Preferences, and we're going to click on Media Cache. What we're going to do here is to remove media cache files by clicking on this Delete option and select the option right here that says Delete Unused Media Cache Files and click on OK, and Premiere Pro will delete it. You can also set it to automatically delete cache files older than 90 days, or you can also set it to 30 days if you prefer it that way. Just hit on OK, and that is how you can basically fix Adobe Premiere Pro low system memory. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.